Very good, my friends. Do you think that it's possible to transfer water between two glasses of water without touching them? We are going to find out in this video. This is a very easy experiment and safe that you can do even with the kids. And you just need the stuff that you can find in your own kitchen. If you want to do the advanced version with the coloring, you just need food coloring that we can get from a kit that I bought on Amazon. You will have the link in the description. Okay, we have everything ready here. We have the droplet, the food coloring in different colors. We have 3 colors. You need 3 colors that we have get from the kit. And then extra from the kit, we are going to need some water and some kitchen paper. And we are going to need 5 glasses. So let's start by pouring some water in the glass. This one also, and this one. We leave empty the glasses in the middle. Okay, we get few drops, and we are going to drop 5 drops here, more or less. Okay, and we clean it. Very important to clean it. And we do the same. We are going to drop some blue here. We can stir a little bit if we want with the droplet. Okay, don't mix the colors. Only using the stuff we have on the table, we have to fill these 2 glasses without touching them. How will you do? Okay, you got it correct. We have to use the paper roll. We grab a piece of paper and we are going to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We roll it. Okay, we have it like this. Now, without touching the glasses, we are going to do like this. Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow upwards against the gravity in narrow spaces. This is the same process that makes water cleanse from the roots of the plants to their leaves. Kitchen towels are made of cellulose. The water flows upwards through the tiny gaps within the cellulose fibers. The gaps in the towel act as a capillary tubes, pulling the water upwards. This is the same process that happens when you spill some water on the kitchen worktop and you use a towel to remove the water from the worktop. Adhesion is what makes the water molecules to cling to the cellulose fibers in the towel paper. There is a second force called cohesion that makes the water molecules to be attracted to each other and stick close together. So, as the water slowly moves up the tiny gaps in the paper towels, the cohesive force helps to draw more water upwards. The footage you see is recorded in time-lapse mode. It took 7 hours for the system to get in equilibrium. It's very interesting to see also how the colors mix in the glasses in the middle. The red and blue makes violet, the blue and yellow makes the green. We leave it there for all the night and look at the results. The levels are equal in all of them. No changes on the last 5 hours. The system is well balanced. What we are going to do is to add some water in the middle and let's see what happens in few hours. Okay, I fill this one and let's see. Okay, this is a couple of hours later, so we can see that the glasses are getting in level again. I'm going to add a little bit more water in the middle, so I want to see if we get some color contamination in the glasses that are on the sides. Okay, let's leave it there for a couple of hours. Okay, here we are 2 or 3 hours later and we can see that the water levels are getting to the same level. I think we need more time for the water to get transferred to the side glasses, but at the end they will get in the same. This is working because the cavity action in the paper towels, but also I think that the atmospheric pressure is playing the role putting the waters at the same level. To demonstrate that, what I'm going to do now is to put one glass a bit higher. So I have this piece of wood that I'm going to place here. Let's see if all the glasses get at the same level. What I'm expecting is the red one to be in this level. I don't know what is going to happen. Let's check in few hours. Okay, next day. The system is in equilibrium again and you can see what happened with the glass we put on top. Okay, now we are going to fill some water in this glass and we are going to see if the level there rises again. So let's put it and we go to the time lapse. Okay, now they are all at the same level and what I'm going to do, because we cannot appreciate it very well, so what I'm going to do is to fill all the glasses with water completely. Okay. This way we will see the difference in these glasses of water. Okay. Okay, we can see that we have got the same level in all the glasses. Even the water go up from here to here. I really enjoyed doing this experiment. I hope you also. Let me know in the comments what do you think. If you think that I'm missing something on the explanation, it's not very clear, feel free to leave it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.